Hey guys, just going to do another quick video. Read my last video about EBT and SNAP benefits. Now, I'm going to show you in my cupboards what I've got, and I'll even do one better. I'll show you my fridge and freezer. Here we go. Right, so these are my cupboards. I've got more than one, right? So we've got six cans of peaches on the top shelf. 2 cans of fruit cocktail, right? 3 cans of tuna. So grab a bag of potatoes and you can make chips, or you can make jack potato, stick a can of tuna on it. Can of soup. 3 cans of baked beans. Another 2 cans of baked beans, but a different brand. 4 cans of soup. 1 can of spaghetti. I haven't gone shopping recently, guys. Pasta sauce, ketchup, 2 beans and sausages, red kidney beans and vegetable broth, right? Chicken noodles, I've only got 1 of those. And curry noodles, I've only got 2 of those. We've got lavender and coriander rice, as well as savoury chicken flavoured rice. Right, I'll bring you over here. This is what I call my larder cupboard. Now I've got just under 5 kilos of rice, just under 5 kilos of shells, just under 2 kilos of more pasta, and just under 2 kilos of penne pasta. Yes, I do have lemonade, but after this is gone, I'm not buying any more. I've got little packets here of cheddar sauce and another brand of cheddar cheese sauce. Right? There's loads there, but that has been there like, what, a year? Still good. Same as this. Been there, 6 months? Still good. I'll eat it. Just cook it up. Boil it. Here we are at the fridge. Don't mind the washing. I'm just doing some washing. Milk. I go through a lot of milk, guys. Every day I go through milk because I got to take milk with my tablets. Butter, that's about it. That's a full butter, actually. So, And in here, I will show you my freezer. So I've got a tall freezer with 5 drawers, pizzas, ice poles and lollies with fish and butter sauce. I've got garlic bread, I've got donuts, I've got waffles, I've got lasagna, fish fingers, onion rings, chicken dippers. I've got 3 loaves of bread and 4 packs of French fries. There you go, guys. That's my entire flat. That's what I've got for food for like the next, 6 months. Easy. You don't need, all this flashy food. You've got water in your tap. Turn your tap on, wait for it to go cold. Cup of water. That's all you need, guys. Like, seriously. You don't need to be eating, 5-star food. And I'm an ex-chef. So, I'm just saying, you know. I can make shed loads out there, you know. Get yourself a bag of potatoes. You know, if you get one of those little mechanisms that I used to have as a kid, you can make chips all day long. Cut across in it, make jacket potato. Freaking, you can do loads. You know, oh my God, you know, bread, you know, have sandwiches 3 days a week. It sounds boring, but it's life. It is what it is. You know, if you're short on money, you know, you can't afford to eat out. You can't afford to eat out every day. I've got a neighbour that spends £45 a day on takeaways. You know, I'm like, you're out of your mind. You're out of your mind. You can go to the bottom of the road and do £100 shop, and it'll last you forever. You know? But no, you know, I need my McDonald's every day, twice a day, 3 times a day. Nah, I'm alright. You can keep that. I need KFC every day. I need Burger King every day. No, you don't. No, you bloody don't. Honestly. Pack it in. You don't need to be eating that garbage. But anyway, have a great day. Peace.